Hello and good afternoon. This is the vehicle you inquired about. This is it. This is the one I have in stock. I sent you pricing on it. I wanted to show you the actual vehicle in stock with the interior that it is. Very nice interior indeed. Stock number J5445878, 4-wheel drive, limited 4Runner. Let me know what you think. It is here. I am available. If you could stop by tonight or tomorrow, let me know. Either day works for me. Give me a heads up. My name's Omar Carrillo, Toyota of Dallas. Thank you so much. Have a good day.